Hey ATA family, wagwan wagwan. Today we have a brand new video and it was requested. We will be doing some Jamaican pasta. You can call it Jamaica Rasta pasta. If you'd like to see how I create this, ensure you stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend. So I'm not going with a bag of goodness over here. So over here so is finger licking good. Stay tuned for the video. So people, this is a very simple recipe. No hassle, no bustle. The main ingredients are some macaroni and mayo. I'll be using this type of macaroni. You can use the elbows, you can use spaghetti, you can use just about whichever one of the macaronis you want. Now I'm adding some water to this and I'm just covering the macaroni. Now I'm going to add some oil and people look how the oil just a dance on the water top. Yes, I like to see this. I think me add a little bit too much oil here, so you know, but I love to see the oil a dance on the water top. Alright, we're going to add some salt to this. And you know, we add salt to taste. You can add the amount that you want. I've added just a pinch and now I'm giving it a stir. Now I'm going to put the pot on the stove and I'm going to allow to boil. Once it is boiled to about 80% of the cooking, I'm then going to add some mixed vegetable. Yes, some frozen mixed vegetable. If you don't like mixed vegetable, you can substitute whatever you'd want to add here. But I love the color, so I'm going to add a little mixed vegetable. Now that it is boiling and we see that everything here is cooked, we're just going to remove the pot from the stove and we're going to drain the water off. And yes, I'm using a colander. You can use a strainer, you can use a cloth, whatever it is that you have. And then I'm just going to add some running water to this to cool it down a bit. And it's the reason for adding the salt earlier. So if it was a little bit too salt, here so you're going to wash it off a bit. Look how colorful this is, and we have used the tri-colored macaroni. And now we're going to add it to a bowl where we're going to do the final preparation. So ensure that it is fully drained and it is cool. You don't want to add the mayo to hot macaroni. It will begin to melt. Now we're just adding 2 big spoons, 2 Jamaican spoons. We're not talking about 2 American spoons, 2 big Jamaican spoons of mayo, and we're just going to mix that in. And once it is fully incorporated, we're then going to start adding all the little additives. Look at that. Some people just eat it just like this, but you don't know some extra. I love the bag of niceness. So we're going to add a little extraness to this. So first thing first, we're going to get our grater. And I'm using a very small one. Firstly, I'm going to grate some onions. And people, may I tell you, if you left out the onion, you're not going with nothing. You can also add some garlic here. I did not add any garlic, but I normally do. So yes, people, may I grate. I'm just going on with myself. So, and I've grated about 1/4 of a small onion. You can use more or less depending on your taste. Now I'm going to grate some ginger. And people, may I tell you, this is the secret ingredient. Don't forget your ginger. If you don't have the ground ginger, you can use a little bit of ginger powder or you can use a little bit of the juice. Now I'm sprinkling some granulated sugar. If you have dark sugar, you can use that. Cane sugar, whichever one you want to use, it's fine by me. Create your pasta, baby. Now I'm grating some cheese, and this is some Jamaican tasty cheese. Now people, you can add whichever cheese you want, but how can you be Jamaican if you don't know about tasty cheese? You know what I say? Now we're just going to combine to get all those flavors to, you know, make the thing really nice. I'm going to tell us that people, this smell real good right now, you know. So we just mix this in, and now we're sprinkling some black pepper. And I'm using the coarse ground black pepper. You can use the fine black pepper, it really doesn't matter. You can use a little bit of cayenne pepper here, or you can use white pepper. Whichever pepper it is that you want, you can use it here. You can add anything you want to make this nice and make this recipe yours. People, the recipe is complete at serving time now. You can just put this in the fridge and eat it cold. It no matter, you can eat it room temperature. This is really nice. This is filling. Until next time, people, it's your girl Anna. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment.